Forex is short for foreign exchange. It is the trading of one currency for another. Imagine you are going on vacation to Europe. You need to exchange your dollars for euros. This is Forex. Forex is the largest financial market in the world. It is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Traders buy and sell currencies to make a profit. Many different players participate in the Forex market. Banks are the biggest players. They trade huge amounts of currency every day. Large companies also trade Forex. They need foreign currency to do business. Individual investors trade Forex to make money. Forex trading is done in pairs. For example, the EUR-USD pair is the euro versus the US dollar. When you buy a currency pair, you are buying the first currency and selling the second. If you think the euro will go up in value against the US dollar, you would buy EUR-USD. If you are right and the euro goes up, you can sell your EUR-USD for a profit. People trade Forex for many reasons. Some trade to make money. Others trade to hedge against risk. Forex trading can be risky, but it can also be profitable. It is important to learn about Forex before you start trading.